non-stop array of riders, dude. This is such a vibe, bro. Like, we literally over. We took this gas station. Brett! You know, we out here. GVO, baby. Let's go. I didn't come. Today, bro. Today. We got Brat mixing the two-stroke. I said we got Brat mixing the two-stroke. I was just talking to the camera. I was just saying you're mixing two-stroke.
Oh, yeah. I can barely hear MotoBroo.
Yeah.
I the fucking helmet. I'm like, huh?
Hey, I'm excited to see you shred.
Be outside.
Yes, sir. Let's go. Let's do it. Hey, much love, bro. Look good, bro. Hey, that's your Lamborghini. We got freaking Lamborghini here. Yes, sir. What's good? At the gas station with the freaking Lambo. That man sound good. Little gas station work going on. Bro, it's literally like a party here. Literally a goddamn party going on. My dude, I can't even talk, but he's just chilling with the bike up. Oh my lord. I don't know if you can hear me, but that... Oh my god, that scared the hell out of me. That guy was just chilling with his bike standing up. He's like, I never drop, bro. Dude, look everywhere. Everywhere you look, bro. The whole gang out, bro. Yo. It's those shifters. He's like, he didn't know how to drive it, bro. Bro, it's crazy to see like a Lamborghini. The person who owns the Lamborghini is about to hop on a bike and he let someone else, I guess his homie, take it for a spin right now. Alright, we're out of here. Can I throw you some money? Throw you some money? I just gave him money. I gave him money. Ah, man, what's good? What's good? Oh my god, it's so sketchy. I'm still sketching and I don't even have to freaking fill up really. Alright, we made it to the first gas station run. This is just the pre-pack. Like, we still got tons of other riders to meet up with. But look at everyone, dude. Oh, and that gas pump don't work. Yes, sir. Hey, Kush, can I get... God damn it! He never takes my money, bro. And then like now I'm pumping gas with freaking $2 in my hand. And hey, is it cool? Take it. You might need it for. All right, fuck it. God damn it, Kate. All right, we're throwing it back in the freaking. All right, this is cool because we don't have to mix, bro. There's no mixing involved. All we do is put the gas in, close the cap, pop that in, and we're chilling, bro. Like, look, we got Banshees out here. We got hella Banshees. Yo, look at homie rolling through. Dude, that's gas, go, gangster. Dude, it has like a pink tint to it. Bro, that thing is... That thing is gangster. I think we're done at the gas station now. It's time to freaking. You have money on you or no? Damn, let me here. Take this.
Nah, bro, I don't want your money on.
Nah, because you might need it. If you can't get gas and shit, like it's better to have that, you know?
I appreciate it, though.
Of course, bro. Because if you're like, yo, can I get gas? And you got nothing in your hand, they're gonna be like, nah, you know?
Get the f out of here.
Yeah, so for real.
Don't carry.
Bro, rain. Hey! Are those tires slippery in the rain? Like, are you slipping?
Good.
They feel good?
Well, in the rain, I feel good.
Bro, this is like slipping. Yeah. Cop. God dang. Bro, I'm trying to chill. This shit getting crazy, bro. So right now, what's good, bro? Right now we're ducked under like a little cover. As you've seen, a cop just went by. Oh, he's right there, as you can see. What's good, bro? And my boy's soaked. You're soaked. I said you're soaked. The gas station, and I think here, yep, right there, safe trooper.
Follow me on YouTube, First Girl _
Let me just shout himself out. Yo, bro, we're out here, GVO. Let's go, let's go, bro. Hey, y'all want a picture too? How you doing, bro?